Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another Clean With Me garage edition, and I know I've done this video before in the past, but we're back at it again and we are going to tackle this space. So if you have a garage or a shed or just an area in your house that needs to be decluttered and clean, then I hope this video gives you all the motivation you need. Now I'll probably be doing this video in two parts, and that's because with it being quarantine and stuff, I can't go to like the dump and get rid of some stuff, so I'm gonna have to do it in smaller parts and put it at the end of the road. And I'm gonna wait until the weather's a little bit nicer, because right now it has been a little chilly. So once the weather gets, a little bit warmer, then once a week I'll come in here and take a little bit out at a time and bring it to the road. So I didn't really have a game plan going into this. I didn't have a certain section I wanted to do or accomplish. I just wanted to get it done. So I just kind of was going through stuff, seeing what needed to be recycled and what not. And then I decided I was going to work above our steps and put all of the Christmas decor up there. We have a lot of Christmas decor. I've tried to declutter it, but it's all stuff that I use at Christmas time, and so that was the perfect spot to put it all, and at least it was together, and I knew that everything above the steps was Christmas related stuff. And if you're wondering why our doors are blue, like this entire room is this blue color, I have no idea. It was like that when we bought it. I would love to paint it a new color, but honestly it's just not the top priority list. I'm sure in the future we will, but yes, it's definitely just this big bright blue color, and I don't have an answer for you guys. So now I'm coming over to this part, and this is where I decided to put all my workout stuff. I found this really helped me stay motivated and work out when all of our workout equipment was here. Now we do have a treadmill in the garage that I use, but in the wintertime and colder months, or just in times when I don't want to use my treadmill, at least it's right here and I can just open my door, go grab what I need, and bring it inside to use to do an inside workout. Alrighty, so I feel like this is where I spent most of my time while I was cleaning the garage, and I'm so happy that we put everything up here that was Christmas related. It fit perfectly. I had to play some Tetris, but it ended up working out really good, and I'm so glad I did it. I don't regret it at all, and it's so nice because we only use our Christmas stuff once a month out of the entire year, and it just didn't make sense for all of this stuff to be on the garage floor, and it also didn't make any sense to keep random stuff together up there. Like, it made more sense to just be like, okay, everything above the stairs is Christmas stuff, and then I don't have to think about anything when I'm looking for specific items. And I'm not sure if you'll see it in this video, but we do have built-in cupboards in the garage, and so I want to also reorganize that and see if I can use them to my advantage. Like, I really want to make sure I'm utilizing the space in that. And then the other thing I want to get are some shelving, nothing too crazy, just like ones that you can take down yourself, and I think we are going to get them from Canadian Tire. I know right now they're doing curbside pickup, and I know they have the kind we want, but like I said, we're not in like a huge rush. We're kind of waiting till it gets a little bit warmer. And then also I'm hoping that one day in life, when our kids aren't like so little, and they don't require so much stuff, we can clean out the crawl space, get rid of some stuff, and maybe move some stuff in the garage into the crawl space, and then that way we have more space, because right now we can't even fit our car. It's a 1.5 garage, and there's no way we can fit our car into the garage. So I just wanted to clutter, get rid of some stuff, and yeah, let's keep on going. And there will be a part 2 to this, so definitely stay tuned. Like I said, we want to do the shelving. I also have the cupboards organized, and basically at the end of the video, I tell you what all is going to be done in part 2. And then also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Ashley Elizabeth on YT. I post Instagram stories all the time and posts, so definitely go over there and follow me. And then also like and subscribe to this video, and comment down below what room that you've been putting off. Maybe it's your garage or your bedroom, whatever space it may be, big or little. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. And I thought I would have to get new containers for some of my things, but I ended up just kind of swapping containers and moving stuff around so that I didn't have to, especially in a time like this where you really don't want to go to stores if you don't have to. So it was nice that I was able to find this because I needed something that was thin enough to fit at the top, which it was perfect. And of course, I know some people might not think of this as a step or a necessity when cleaning the garage, but I don't know if you, I mean, this was a must because there was like stuff on the ground, but even if there wasn't, I would still want to give the floor a good sweep. I don't know, I just think that's like a nice little touch, and I notice a difference myself in the past when I've swept the garage. I don't do this all the time, but like I said, if I'm doing like a major clean like this, I do like sweeping the ground, and it just, like I said, it makes it look brand new again. And then after I swept everything up, I started to make a pile of everything I wanted to get rid of. There's still way more stuff I want to get rid of, but if I can just work on this for now, and this is what I mean by warmer weather, I can, you know, take it to the road and stuff like that, bring a little bit out at a time. I guess I don't need warmer weather, but it's been like snowy and stuff, and I figured I would just wait, so I'm going to give stuff back, and after I'm done with this pile, then I'll start another pile. And then afterwards, I just cleaned off the top of this counter. You're going to see a keyboard that we're giving away to my niece, and then I also cleaned underneath that, and that's what I did in an hour. I wanted to make sure I had time to hang out with Richard afterwards and just have a break. I didn't really want to spend the entire time that she was napping out here doing this, and a little bit I feel like when I work on it at big projects like this a little bit at a time, it keeps me motivated, my energy's up, and I'm more likely to get a lot more accomplished. So I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to let the past me kind of explain to you what I did and completed and all that stuff, and she is going to end this video for you guys. But I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys! Alrighty, so it is day 2 of cleaning the garage. You'll know what day 1 was, but basically day 1 was this. All the Christmas decor up here. I still have to go through this. This is all my workout stuff. I kept it here because I do a lot of workouts inside when it's winter out. And then all that stuff I'm bringing inside, putting it in the crawl space. But for the most part, I have to tidy this up a bit. But this is the counter. We've got stuff under here. Elizabeth's old high chair, car seat. What else? My treadmill. I have to still kind of go through the majority of these cupboards. And go up here. This is all stuff we're getting rid of. There's our wagon. This is outdoor stuff. And I should probably go through, it's an old kite, a ball, chalk, but it's nice because our door's right here, and we can access it. But yeah, I still have to go through all this, but it's getting there. And I like that it's one nice thing about having time off. So it is, let's see, 1 o'clock, and I'm stopping. I only do it for an hour every day, basically. And I started yesterday, so I will do an hour tomorrow. And that's it. Yeah. So, stay tuned for tomorrow.